Yeah, welcome to our little how-to use the new kunstform custom bike editor. Yeah, to start the editor, of course, you have to enter www.kunstform.org, and on the left-hand side here you see the BMX editor. It's just this button, and you click it, and the editor loads itself within a few moments. So here it is. So here in the box you have a little description what's all about the custom editor and what you can do with it, and I will show you now how to use it to create your dream custom BMX bike, plus also order it. So means you can not only choose the colorways, the editor is also giving you some recommendations about the parts you can use for this special custom BMX bike. So let's start with a color base. So I think I use most of the parts, I like most of the parts in black, so I go for this black version. Then I choose a gold frame. The bar I will stay for black, so I will change nothing here. Also the fork and the rim, but the hubs I go for all slick versions. And the tires I go for the tongue versions here. Yes, this looks quite nice to me. So crank I stay with the black one, the same with sprocket and stem. And the seat post. The seat I want to have a camouflage. Headset I stay with black. The pedals, let me see, no, of course I go for black. And the same with the grips. And the chain, maybe I use the gold one. Yes, I use the gold one. So if you have chosen all the different colorways for the different parts for your custom BMX bike, you also can you have to decide, of course, if you want to ride with rear brake. If yes, then you can press this rear brake button, and you see this four more points popping up here. And then you can choose the different colorways of the components for the rear brake. Of course, the brake itself is possible to choose between black, white and chrome. I go for the black one. Brake lever also black, and the cable also black, and the gyro I go for a black one too. So back in black. And the second option is to choose if you want to have pegs on your custom BMX bike or not. I choose pegs, and I go for purple ones. So as you can see, you can define all the colorways for all the parts of your custom BMX bike. And the special thing of our kunstform custom bike editor is that the editor automatically gives you some recommendations for the parts you have chosen the colorway. And for example, here you can see that the editor recommends you the Alone BMX Chrome Alone 2 frame, which is gold, of course, and here has a 21 top tube. So if you say this is not my style of top tube, you can use this few other options. I will check now if there's something which is more into my style. Yeah, so I take the 20.75 inch one because this fits to my size. The same with all the other parts. You can do it with all other parts. Of course, parts like tubes and rim strips are automatically chosen by the editor, because each bike will need it for sure. But of course, you also can go for any other tube. And also you can see here the availability. So the editor prefers to recommend you parts which are on stock or available. So this is something special too. And yeah, if you have chosen all the parts for your custom bike, you can order it, of course, or publish to a gallery and share it on Facebook or different other social media. So one thing I want to show you is if you change, for example, the frame color, you have to look here and this frame position here. I go for a black one, then the editor is checking all the availabilities for any black frames here, and yeah, you can of course then decide to choose the frame again and go for any other frame. So this is with all colors and all parts the same. The editor also always recommends you fitting available parts. So this makes sure that the bike you have designed is also possible to order. So after you have chosen all the parts and all the colorways, you can add all the products to your shopping cart, of course. And here at the end you will see the weight and the subtotal, and of course each custom bike, on each custom bike we also give you a 10% discount, and here is also the total subtotal of the discount amount. So, and at the end you see the non-binding total price, because sometimes something changes after your order, or you want to choose some other parts, and at the end you can add them to your shopping cart. And as you can see, we have now the cart contents here and all the parts you have chosen for creating your custom bike. So at this point, this is just the normal way you order things at our web shop. You can go to the checkout, and it's just in a few minutes after you have finished this checkout. If you see here, or if you decide here to, yeah, for example, oh no, this is not my kind of handlebar, I have to choose another one, because, for example, the colorway is not your style or any other things, then you can remove the product from your shopping cart, of course. We do it now, and then it's gone, and you can decide which other bar you want to have instead. And I think I tried the Verde Regent, for example, because it's quite a cheap, not expensive bar, and add this to my cart. So this is it, and I go back to my shopping cart, and as you can see here, I changed the handlebar. So after you have put all the parts for your custom bike in the shopping cart, you are able to change some parts again. Yeah, so I will close this tab now to show you how to publish now your dream bike in our gallery and share it with friends on Facebook or any other social media. This could be necessary to you for getting some opinions about your new custom bike, and maybe this will help you to decide for which colorway you should go. Yeah, you see here this button publish design, so it's clear to press it, and then you can give your BMX bike a name. For example, is this my dream bike? So, or any other, of course. And then press the button publish your design to the gallery. And after you have pressed the button, the editor takes around 10 to 30 seconds to create your custom bike picture. So, and yes, as you can see, after a few seconds, the editor has created the picture and it has been published to the gallery. You can now choose between download the design or view the gallery. If you choose download, you can of course save the image as JPEG on your computer and use it for any other things. But I now will not do that. I will directly go to the gallery, and as you can see here is this my dream bike custom BMX bike. It has been published to the gallery, and if you click it, you can also watch it in large. And then you see here the Facebook like button, or any button for Twitter or different other social medias. So we can now like this and share this and yeah, spread the custom bike to the world. And after you have done this, you can go back to the editor or you can go back to the gallery. And as you can see, there are a lot of different bikes. At the moment it's nearly 600 bikes which has been published within 2.5 days. So there are a lot of different bikes you can check out and get some ideas for your own bike maybe. And also you can click at any other custom bike from any other customer who has created it, and you can like it or go for any commentary on it. Yeah, so this is the custom bike editor from kunstform, made by kunstform, and of course we will go on with it and prove it and change some things but from time to time. And we hope we could give you a little preview to it, and wish you good luck and have fun with while using the custom bike editor. Bye bye.